the thing is now focusing on you now. But let's go back to some of the things that you have raised, some of the things that you have put out there right now. Now, they were not done to Nnamdi Kanu. No, we have not heard of cases of him being manhandled. We have not heard of any cases of him being stripped naked. We have not heard of any cases of him being stabbed.
Yes, Nnamdi Kanu as a leader, even while in the custody I met him, he was very angry because of what they did to me. I met him. I know Nnamdi Kanu very well now. That's why I don't believe all these things they are saying about him. Nnamdi Kanu is
I'm saying that to say that, did he really have the prompting? Did he really have a basis for making those broadcasts, which led to the loss of lives of so many?
Yes, there was a need for him to, because he's a leader and his people are being marginalized, being killed, being maimed anyhow. There was a reason for him to do that. Just like what happened to me. He was always consoling me and he was very angry. So they say because he has a good heart, so and he believes in justice, that was the reason. That was why he came out to say those things he said. Because there was injustice and there's still injustice. It's the injustice that the government should be able to tackle.
Let me ask you. The same thing that Nnamdi Kanu did, somebody else did it in another jurisdiction and was jailed.
Yeah. And what did Nnamdi Kanu do?
No, what did EPA, what's his name now? EPA. What did he do different from what Nnamdi Kanu did?
No, you see, there was no need for him to do what he did there. At that place, this kind of injustice is not going on. So there was no need for him to do that. What you see, what is applicable there is not applicable here, because what is going on here, we live in a place where it seems the lawlessness is too much. What they did to me, it can't happen there. It can't happen there. And now, I don't even have anywhere to report to. Do you know that these same people, they stole my phones? I was in DSS custody, I was telling them, my phones have been stolen. These are the people. Those people who tortured me, they took me away my phone. They forced me to put my pins. Olushola Ladoja, all of them, Salawuddin Lukman. They forced me and they collected my phone. Yenka Dada.
How did you know all this? Did they identify themselves to you?
I know them. These are people that I know. And when they came, you see, I just don't want to mention the name of the person because of the honor done to me by the president. Yeah. They told me he's the one that sent them. Olushola Ladoja in the presence of the Secretary General.
Is in the public space. Yeah. Whether you say it here now.
Olushola Ladoja did say that the guy told them that they should shoot me. That because the reason was because I met with the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, and so because of that I do not deserve to live again. So and that he does not want to split blood. So that is why he's sparing my life, but that is the order given to them. So, but what they did to me, they have humiliated me in a way that even a terrorist does not deserve that such humiliation. But where can I go? So that is what is happening in the country. And then you are saying Nnamdi Kanu should not make statement.
What do you mean by where can you go? You mean that what you have talked about now, you have not lodged a complaint anywhere?
Let me tell you.
You have not lodged a report anywhere?
I lodged the report up to this moment at the Federal Criminal Investigation Department of the Nigerian Police Force.
FCID, right?
I wrote to the Inspector General of Police. Is this one Inspector General of Police? Is that one an officer?
No, please. Let's not do that.
No, this one is an officer. If I show the letters I wrote to him, no reply.
No.
No reply. No. Is this one a policeman?
Right now, he's still the IG of police.
Okay, but he's not performing the function. He's not performing the function. He's just there enjoying himself. Let him come and kill me again. Let him come and arrest me. You think I'm afraid of you? Because you're agent, so what?
All right. Now, let's...
You can start me and come and kill me. You're murderers. You can come and kill me.
Let's come right back. Let's come right back. Now, so we're still talking. Now, we have a date. There's a date or history for November 20th. What exactly do you think is likely to be the outcome of that?
The only option left is for President Tinubu to step in and discontinue with the case.
Suppose
James Motoshaw will only take orders from maybe any of these governors can call him. Those ones who don't want Nnamdi Kanu to be released because they fear their re-election, because they know they will lose their position, can direct him. These judges don't make rulings based on any law now.
Are you saying that the opposition to Nnamdi Kanu is not even from outside, it's from within. It's from among the governors.
Majorly is from among the governors and some of these senators, these cowards now. I sent messages to them during the protest, and I tried to gather intelligence. You see, I have had privilege of working with security experts. So I know how to gather my own intelligence. When I deal with these people, some of them I serve like errand boys so as to be able to learn certain things from them. I have been working with DG of DSS, not this current one, at least about two of them. Each time I go there is just to see how the operation and how to gather intelligence. You see, I'm better than most of these directors of DSS, because the way to gather intelligence, I move with this security expert. I have been working with a chief in the Nigerian army, where I don't want to mention. I know what they do as security experts. So when it comes to intelligence, I know how to gather this intelligence. What is happening, let's just not talk about it. There's nothing to talk about. The more you know about this country, the more angry you become.
Let me say this. Even when, because we mentioned the fact that a court discharged Kanu earlier. Now, even when that court discharged Kanu, I hope that I don't know whether you have the details of that case. It was discharged on the ground that the way and manner in which he was brought in from Kenya was wrong. It does not in any way vitiate the issues before his quote and unquote, I don't think that's the appropriate word. What's this word now? Quote and unquote, not quote and unquote kidnapped. No, it's not kidnapped. The way he was brought in from Kenya. It was on the basis of that the court said all charges cannot stand because of the fact that he was brought in the way he was brought in, not legally, not legitimately. But it does not counter, it does not vitiate, it does not nullify the issues that were on ground before his escape abroad. So it is those cases, those issues that were on ground before that are still being treated. So how can Nnamdi Kanu say that he has no case?
No, once you are discharged, whatever reason that is,
you can be discharged and not be acquitted.
But in this case, for 4 years, why have they not been able to provide evidence to all these years? Why? Because there's no case against him. Even for this long period of time that has been kept in detention, and without them being able to provide evidence against him, shows that he has no case. How can you keep somebody in detention for about 4 years? And then you are going to court, you have not been able to convict the person? It means you don't have evidence against him. So that is the more reason why he should be